Making love and lies, if you want some vibes last summer. Poolside vibes, then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black down. I'm up with the windows down and
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be doing an Adidas Tryon haul. Now I know what you're thinking, my girl doesn't even wear sportswear or workout wear, but I actually do, I really do, especially if I am going to the gym. I love a good sportswear or workout wear. But you guys know me for wearing my dresses and just lots and lots of feminine pieces. And I have found gorgeous, gorgeous feminine dresses and skirts and women clothing that is on their website, Exhibit A. And I'm going to be wearing another piece styled with my boyfriend's shirt.
I love you.
And I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
still travel to compare you. Your presence like an angel, sound like a brand new home. What about this time twisting when you tease? Stop and stare up streets when you reach down. When you dreams that I waste like forever. All of my niggas say, oh yes, it's nothing gonna. What about this time twisting when you tease? Stop and stare up streets when you reach down. When you dreams that I waste like forever. All of my niggas say, oh yes, it's nothing gonna. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do, I fit to stand pounds on you, I fit to stand downs on you, I can't drag niggas on you, so what's that 1 million on you, so 1 million on you,
Do you know what? Do you know what? I bet you, because I don't know, maybe I'm like discovering this for the first time. The preppy look kind of came by accident, I think. Because when I was buying it, I didn't think that it would look so preppy. I just liked the look. So if you go on their website, Adidas kind of put this vest top jumper and the kilt skirt together. So it paired it together, so I was like, oh, this is interesting. So I'm just gonna grab those pieces because Adidas says it works well, and I think it works really well. I also like added accessories and things like that, just to give it a bit of a personality and a pop. And my boyfriend's shirt. Now, when I was trying it on, I initially like tucked in the shirt, but I feel like leaving it out as well can look pretty cool. I don't know, guys, let me know what you think. Also, yeah, there's just a lot going on. There's a lot going on. I feel like with outfits like this, there can be a lot to add to it. But I'm kind of like a simple girl. That's why I like my dresses, because I feel like I don't need to do much when I wear a dress. But yeah, this is kind of teaching me a little bit more of my style, going in a different but same direction. So I feel like it's still me. I definitely do. So comment below, let me know if you like this type of vibe. I mean, yeah, I like it with the heels too, because you know I do have my staple try-on heels, and I feel like I could actually wear it like this outside, you know. So fashion is so cool. I love fashion. I really do. Like, you could just like play around with it. I love it. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I feel a little bit like a schoolgirl too, to be fair, like I'm wearing a uniform. But obviously, yeah, I'm a bit hot. All that jumping around and kind of trying out, you know what we do, ladies, when we're in our bedroom, you know, we dance, we have fun, and I love that about getting dressed, and I love that about fashion. I love that about what I do, you know. So yeah, really cool. The socks and the tights. So the tights are skin colored tight. So the tights are this. These are the tights. It's a satin sheer tights, and it is in the color mocha. So I feel like it really matches my skin tone, because with the weather being so freaking cold, I feel like this is a really nice find. It came in a pack of 2. It's a size large, and yeah, I got it from Primark, and it wasn't too bad in price. It was £6. And then I added like some accessories. I'm going to take them off now. Actually no, I'm going to keep them on. And then my boyfriend's shirt, which is really, really cool. I'm going to take it off because I'm really hot. And as I'm taking it off, you can actually pair this skirt with just different tops. So it doesn't have to be a shirt, but I feel like the shirt goes well with the vest, if that makes sense. But yeah, the skirt's really, really nice to kind of pair with different types of tops. Like I said in the beginning, I paired this whole outfit by Adidas recommendation. I love it when online brands do that, where they help you decide how to put an outfit together. So freaking cool, especially if you don't know what to match it with. And if you are stuck, let me give you a little lesson or two. If you are stuck, getting a plain shirt, plain colour t-shirt, plain coloured bodysuit always goes a long way. So go in with your neutrals first, so black or white. Very basic. They really do help elevate a look as well. So if you are stuck with finding something to match, especially something that is printed like this skirt, you will not go wrong with matching it with a basic top that is in a neutral tone colour. Yeah. These socks are from Zara. Lots of texture, bows and ribbons are trending right now as well. I think they were trending last year too. But I absolutely adore these socks. They're freaking warm and just a really nice way to add to your look as well. But yeah, these specs, I can't even see. I can't see. But I feel like these specs make me really like serious looking. I like it, I actually do. And the black frame as well, I feel like goes really well. So yeah, even with this white shirt, it's giving me the look. I mean, tuck it in, come off, and then you can do it all the way up your buttons. I've kept it nice and V-neck shape because of my shape. I feel like making shapes and patterns on your outfit makes it like tailored to your look, because like it can even make or break you, right? And I feel like because I have a certain type of shape, we can get into that some other time because it's so detailed. But if you want to have a look on Google, there are different body shapes, body styles, and you have to like try and dress according to that kind of shape and style that you have. And when you do that, that is when you look more fab, you know. And so yeah, I feel like an open V top is my go-to, and I've rolled up the sleeves as well. And then I also have like my staple lip. And yeah, I love the look, guys. Let's get into the next outfit.
Vibes last summer, poolside vibes then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black down Hummer, put the windows down and holler. Was it something you wore that caught me, baby? Girls and style and aura. Can I get your name as a lady? Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. The things I will do. It just step out.
Okay, ladies and gents, this dress is, I'm telling you, I love this dress too much. I love the split. I mean, it's just a gorgeous red. It's very seasonal, but it's also very complimentary for my skin tone. Like I always say, I love colour, and this colour pops. It really does. I mean, it matches my lippy. It's just like, it's so nice. I love how it hugs my body, and yeah, obviously it's got the Adidas standard logo, stripes, whatever you want to call it. The brand, yeah, it's got Adidas brand written all over this dress, and I mean, on the hanger doesn't even do it justice. When I was like showing you earlier, on the body, it absolutely bangs. I love it too much. I just love how simple it is as well. Like I don't even need to add any accessories or anything like that. My hair, complimentary as well, like everything about it. I'm actually wearing my heels, my staple heels. I'm actually going to take it off. But yeah, you can literally wear it with trainers, heels. It could be a going out dress, a casual dress. It's just really gorgeous. I love the split. I love a split on a dress. Absolutely chef's kiss. Yeah, it's just so sweet. I love it. Don't know what else to say. I mean, the dress speaks for itself. In fact, I'll let you know, on the website it has this colour and a black colour. I feel like I could go for a black as well. Yeah, I definitely feel like I would go for a black. This chair's in the way. And again, it's just like, it's got the brand, and I feel like, yeah, it's not too loud. It's just really, I don't know what else to say. I got this in a size medium, and I feel like, yeah, the size is very true. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Seriously. Like, is it too dressy? Like, I don't know. I feel like it's casual too, you know? I feel like I need to be somewhere nice. I really do. I feel like I need to be somewhere nice. Anyway, guys, I think this is it. This is all I got to say. I hope that you like the dress, and I hope that you like the outfit before. Because, yeah, because I do. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. You know what to do. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I know it can be really like nerve-wracking, but believe me, I love it if you would comment below as well. I love to read your comments, and I also like to respond as well, yeah, because this is our channel. So make sure you do that. Keep in touch, and until next time, I'll see you then. Take care, everyone.